Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x, y, and z as the definitely positive real number. So show that 1 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by 2y plus 1 divided by 2z greater than or equal 1 divided by x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus z plus 1 divided by y plus z. Always before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. We know that x minus y all square greater than or equal 0. Then x square plus y square minus 2xy greater than or equal 0. Therefore, x square plus y square greater than or equal to xy. So x square plus y square plus 2xy greater than or equal to xy plus 2xy. Then x plus y all square greater than or equal 4xy. We also have it x times y greater 0 and x plus y greater 0. So xy times x plus y greater 0, and therefore 1 divided by xy times x plus y greater 0. So 1 divided by xy times x plus y times x plus y all square greater than or equal for xy times 1 divided by xy times x plus y. So simplify a number x plus y and xy. So we got x plus y divided by xy greater than or equal 4 divided by x plus y. Then x divided by xy plus y divided by xy greater than or equal 4x plus y. Now simplify x and y. So we got 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by x greater than or equal 4 divided by x plus y. We call this inequality 1. In the same way, we show that 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by z greater than or equal 4 divided by x plus z, and 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z greater than or equal 4 divided by y plus z. We call this inequality 2 and this inequality 3. Now we add the inequalities 1, 2, and 3. So we got 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by z plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z greater than or equal 4 divided by x plus y plus 4 divided by x plus z plus 4 divided by y plus z. Then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z plus 1 divided by z greater than or equal. Now we have common factor a number 4. So 4 times 1 divided by x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus z plus 1 divided by yz. Then 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 divided by z greater than or equal 4 times 1 divided by x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus z plus 1 divided by y plus z. Then 1 divided by 4 times 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 divided by z greater than or equal 1 divided by 4 times 4 times 1 divided by x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus z plus 1 divided by y plus z. Now simplify the number 4. So we got 1 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by 2y plus 1 divided by 2z greater than or equal 1 divided by x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus z plus 1 divided by y plus z. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.